Good morning. I'm out here. Actually, it's starting to rain right now. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm out here, by this orchard. You can see these trees. They've got all their leaves off of them. They're basically gone dormant. We've got a lot of good cold weather. They're sleeping right now this winter. It's January 4th, and it's a good thing because they're building up their energy for the bloom that'll be coming here in a month or so. And you'll get to see that in my travels as we go forward here. But I want to point out that sometimes we need to take a rest and we need to take a step backwards and look at what we're doing and make sure we're going in the direction we want to go and we're achieving what we want to achieve with the people we want to achieve it with and helping the people we want to help. So I want you to do that today. Just kind of pause and think about, have I taken time to really take stock of what I have going, where I want to go, and who I want to do it with, and why. And why is very important. These trees out here, they're resting. They've been working on them this winter, getting all the old nuts off the trees so they don't harbor insects, and getting those ground up on the ground, and a little bit of pruning, getting some of the dead wood out, getting ready for the new crop. And hopefully it will be a great crop. It looks like it should be set for a good crop, depending on the weather at the bloom time and if the bees can work. So I just wanted to point that out, that there's seasons where we need to take a step back and we need to maintain ourselves and take care of ourselves, so that when it's time for fruition, when it's time for production, and it's time to really help the people we serve, we'll have the capacity to do so. So with that, have a great day and God bless.